Hawk, can we get a word on how you did versus Tank in the last match?
I beat Tank because I'm the intermediate champion. And I can beat anybody in ICW. And when I mean anybody, I mean anybody. You know how Eric Michael says he's the best in the world? I am the real best in the world at what I do, and I am the best in the world. I can beat anybody in ICW. Give me a challenge, I'll accept it. That's why at Slam Mania, I'm going to beat Money Man and Tank in our match for the Intermediate Championship. And I am also on the Rumble that I'm going to win. And we might have some slight changes, so I could be Mr. Money in the Bank.
Hawk, you are the intermediate champion of ICW. And here you are celebrating a victory against Tank. No offense to Tank, but he is below the below level. Tank has never even won a championship here in ICW. So you shouldn't even be celebrating. That is a pickup match. That is a jobber match. Until Tank proves himself, he is nothing in my world. You see, I have defeated the likes of Eric Michael, Jonas Rude, Johnny Nitro, Ace Styles, David Rex. I've defeated them all.
But I'm not, wait, hold on. I'm not on that list.
Exactly. You're not on that list. So don't make me put yourself on that list. Okay? If you cross my path, that'll be the biggest mistake, and you're definitely going to regret that decision. Okay, I'm the WCF champion and untouchable for a reason. You proclaim yourself as the best in the world. Eric Michael proclaims himself as the best in the world. Well, I am the greatest backyard wrestler to ever walk the face of this planet. You're celebrating a tiny victory? Wait until June 9th, the day after Slam Mania 2, because the headlines will read that Christian Breeze becomes the greatest of all time, and then, and only then, can a true superstar celebrate. So until then, Tank, Hawk, guys, please shut the hell up. Shit, no. Oh. Oh.
I'll get you back. Hawk, untouchable. Intermediate champion. See you guys at Slam Mania.